New Year's Eve is coming up regardless of COVID, and nothing is more traditional than fireworks. But are they safe? Short answer, no. Many countries have started banning pyrotechnical shows due to different concerns, and here's why. In the first place, we are basically talking about bombs. Fireworks are generally made with black powder, which is an explosive. In fact, each year, hundreds of accidents related to fireworks pop up in the news. Most are caused by improper handling and or misfiring that result in injuries, where people could lose fingers, limbs, or eyes at best, or die at worst. So, yeah, safety is a valid argument to ban fireworks. Then there are the animals. Loud explosions scare the shit out of pets and wildlife, and they make them go bananas. If you have a pet or live in an area with a lot of dogs or cats, you know what fireworks mean to them. For them it's like the apocalypse has just started, and many of them run for their lives, acting recklessly, and more often than not that gets them lost or killed. So it's safe to say that animal welfare is also a valid concern. But we are not done. You see, fireworks have a problem. Here, let me show you a clip from a fireworks show. There, can you spot it? Here, let me help you. This is the worst side of fireworks. You may say, a bit of smoke, so what, is not that big of a deal. It actually is. Smoke created by fireworks is not easy on the environment, nor human health. One component of it is ashes, a fine dust that can alter the soil pH level when it rains down and can get into your lungs, where it's proven to cause inflammation and respiratory diseases. The other component is chemical in nature, because fireworks use different compounds to create their stunning colors. Specifically, they burn metal salts for different shades: copper to create blues, barium to create greens, strontium to create reds, and aluminium to create silver. These elements get burned and flung into the atmosphere by the explosion, creating an ultra-fine particulate that can spread for kilometers, more if there is wind. These compounds are toxic for different reasons and in different amount of course, but you need quite a bit of them to create a bright, colorful star in the sky. And we know that on a show, a single star is not going to cut it. Then how can we have a fun and flashy show without all this crap? Luckily, nowadays there are some solutions. For example, you can check out this video from Ben from the channel Nighthawk in Light, where he demonstrates an explosion-proof Senko Hanabi, a type of Japanese handheld firework that you can probably throw in a campfire and it won't go off. That's crazy stuff. Another solution that's getting traction lately are drone light shows. In short, you have hundreds of drones equipped with colored lights that are programmed to create designs and dance to music. It's basically a ballet, but with drones. So there you have it. This is why fireworks are getting less and less popular around the world. What do you think? Should we ban fireworks altogether? Or do you think the downsides are acceptable for such an hypnotic display of art in the sky? Let us know in the comments. See you next year!